Elements of the Dark Web and Children by Teresa Romo. The dark side of the web. What would you do if I told you that your child or student was spending time in one of the most potentially amazing but dangerous places on earth? What if I told you many kids are there with no supervision, rules, or guidance on how to navigate this place? You would think, not my child. Yet, millions of children are there without parents, adults, and are engaging with elements on the dark web. What is out there on the dark web and how can we protect our kids? There's cyberbullying, inappropriate content, including images and videos, virtual strangers, and potential to damage students' character. The first, cyberbullying. Definition of cyberbullying is using the web to threaten, intimidate, insult, harm, or to cause damage to another person. This can be inclusive of negative comments, shaming others, sharing information about others to cause damage. Things we can do to help is create an approved buddy list for your child while on the web, explain what cyberbullying is and how they can report it. Inappropriate content. Inappropriate content is violent, harsh, obscene, or something harmful to children. It can be inclusive of violent images or obscene content. The way we can safeguard our children is to be clear on what websites your child is allowed to view, block certain sites or words, install anti-spyware, and monitor their browser history. Virtual strangers. A person who is unknown to you or your child on the web who can access your child through the following ways: gaming, social media, chat rooms, or websites. There are ways to safeguard your child by discussing who your child is allowed to communicate with online, limit and monitor their online communication. Character damage. Definition. How it happens. By others. Others can post, threaten, or impersonate someone online with the intent to cause harm. Or you can damage your own character by not being mindful in your privacy, your postings, and images that you make available online. Ways to safeguard our children are open discussions on what character damage is, understanding that post pictures follow you for a lifetime, keep passwords personal and information private, do not share anything that you would not want the world to see, and ensure your child has privacy settings set to private. Conclusion. Parents, teachers, and trusted adults are the student's best weapon against the elements of the dark web. Thoughtful, honest conversations should be taking place before children visit the web. Clear rules, expectations, and a monitoring system should be in place. Monitoring should be consistent and constant by adults. Students should know what to look for and report anything that makes them feel unsafe or uncomfortable to a trusted adult. References. Thank you.